That is it, my friends. That's Scotch Bonnet ginger fried chicken. And I had some sauce left over from my short rib video. Just toss up some of them in that. Just gonna fry some fries. I'm good to go. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Here we go. It's 8:13 at the night right now. I just take out my son, come back in, and I don't know for some reason I just crave fried chicken, but not just any fried chicken. Remember at Christmas when I made that Scotch bonnet fried chicken, I just want something spicy. You see what I say? So we are going to do it right now. Forward. Yeah man, I want to run water right now, man. I'm telling you. So I go get one green, one red. You know what? Two red. So I got two red, two green. Yeah man, I need it man. I got some small red so they not burn me up. Yeah, 4 pepper I go use because I want this spicy. I have here 5 garlic cloves, 4 Scotch bonnet pepper, and a little piece of onion, and some fresh thyme, and some ginger. You see the title, so you know what time it is. We're going to be making some ginger Scotch bonnet fried chicken. Yes, you heard it right. In December I didn't add the ginger, but I just need something spicy. So could peel off the ginger. Yeah man, you use about a thumb size piece of ginger. I don't want to overpower this with the ginger because I want to taste the fruitiness of the fried chicken. You get me? Yeah. I want that spice where it's not unbearable, but the spice that reminds you of a peppermint when you eat it and it's just nice and cool. That's what I want. The ginger is very fibrous, so I'm just going to cut this down long ways and then cut this. So pre-chop it before the blender because we want it to chop up, right? So you pre-chop this, cut them so that the fibers them are very small. Yeah. Alright, that is that. I can wash these things real quick. So there we go, we're gonna wash all of these. So we have our blender. We're gonna go in now with the quarter onion, thumb size piece of ginger, as well as that little bit of thyme and 5 garlic cloves. Yeah man, right now I'm talking to you. I just can't wait to eat this. In terms of the Scotch bonnet, I'm going to remove the seeds from 2 of them just to kind of minimize the harsh spice and just to get the fruitfulness of the peppers themselves, because most of the pepper is within the seeds, right? That's where most of the pepper is. So once you take out the seeds, we should be good to go. And please, I always say this in all my videos, use a gloves if you have to, because here you don't want to touch yourself in the eye and them thing, because this is spicy. So there we go, just 1 half seed, 3 of them no seeds. I'm gonna add some oil just to blend that out nicely. I'm gonna go into that now with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. It should be enough to season up the chicken. A teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of black pepper. So a teaspoon of ground mustard and a tablespoon of paprika. I'm just gonna blend this up. So during the Christmas I did that recipe with cayenne pepper in there. That's because I didn't put as much Scotch bonnet. This time I make a Scotch bonnet ginger, so double spice. I'm gonna blend this up nicely. Oh Lord, beautiful. See it there? A nice beautiful piece. That's good. Alright, so we have some chicken leg quarters. I have how much here? 5, which is about 3 pounds. We're gonna clean them up. So clean that up. remove the excess fat. Okay, man, trim off the excess fat, clean out everything. My fryer is already heated up. That's how much I want to eat this thing here. Alright, so we have water here already cleaned. We're just gonna go in now with some vinegar. And we're just gonna rinse that off. Gonna wash that in some vinegar. If you have lime juice, you can go in with the lime juice, get off the extra debris, and just clean those chicken leg quarters. As I said before, this is 5 chicken leg quarters, roughly about 3.5 to 3 pounds. Pour that water off, and then we're gonna rinse with fresh water. So I have more fresh water. We're just gonna rinse. Alright, nice and clean. Now we're gonna chop this up. For the Scotch bonnet fried chicken, gonna keep the legs, keep it a few marks in there. Yeah, man. Because we're not even gonna marinate this. You can if you want to. I don't have the time cooking everything right now. Just gonna chop this up. Yeah, man. So you cut it up like you're doing that of stewed chicken. So 1 leg quarter into 5 pieces. So that's it. So we have 5 pieces. There we go. Everything is nice and clean and chopped up. We're gonna go in now with that marinade. Going with the entire thing. Right, look. Oh God, let's go. Massage everything, man. Remember, I don't use our gloves in because this thing is spicy, but honestly, I'm just so hungry. I just want to eat, man. Tell her. Just want to eat some food right now. Make sure you say you get everything properly rubbed in, seasoned up proper. Can smell the ginger, can smell the Scotch bonnet. Oh God. Kind of look at butter chicken. Butter fried chicken. Kind of look at butter chicken, butter fried chicken. Not butter fried chicken, butter. Fried chicken. Oh my God. So once I finished seasoning this up, I realized off camera when I tasted the marinade that it needed a little bit more seasoning. So I went in with 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add a little bit more all-purpose, or you can leave it as is based on your health restrictions. But adding that little bit of salt will just put it over the edge, especially if you leave it to marinate. Game changer. Alright, see it my friends, well seasoned up. As I said, marinate this for a day or 2 and you're good to go overnight. But when I marinate it, I'm ready to eat it right now. So we have a bowl here, we're going to go into some flour. That's just... Banana my flour?
Huh?
Flour done? Box side. Alright.
Am I going to have to go on the road?
No, it's fine. I'll go make you side.
Cornstarch?
I have cornstarch.
No, you don't want to.
Alright my friends, this is the only flour I have. So hopefully it's gonna work. Yeah, so I'm hungry cooking, you know. I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Because this is about 1.5 cups of flour. So a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Some black pepper in there. Just so we get the looks. Mix that up. We're gonna go in with the chicken. Straight in. Don't want to overcrowd it because I don't have enough. So we're going to fry all the legs first. So the 5 legs first. Probably can go in with a thigh. Toss this up. Not just one breading. One breading. Even if I had enough flour, it would still be one breading. Alright, make sure you toss that up nicely. I'm so hungry. I don't want to hear that about 10 times. I'm really hungry. My friends. Alright. See there? There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Drop this now. All that has been preheated. Alright. So we're gonna go in now. There we go. Sit down. Beautiful. Alright, this is at 375 right now. Cover that up. Fry for about 10 minutes. Alright, my friends. There we go. So pull these up. And we're going to allow the oil to reheat, right? So pull them up. And then we're going to turn down the heat now. So from 375 we turn it down to about 350. And we're just going to allow the oil to just reach to that temperature. Then we're going to double drop. We're going to drop again. Just ensure that we get them nice and crisp. So we're going to drop that again. Get them nice and crunchy for the second fry. This time uncovered. Let's go. Alright, my friends, see it there now. Nice and spicy, crispy. Yeah, man, I'll go fry up the next batch and then begin. So I'm gonna sauce up a batch with some barbecue sauce. Here we go. That is it, my friends. That's Scotch Bonnet ginger fried chicken. And I had some sauce left over from my short rib video. Just toss up some of them in that. Just gonna fry some fries. I'm good to go. Don't do me that. So hungry I was here eating, not realizing that the camera was not on. But see chicken there? See it there? Oh, it's a piece of the thigh. I couldn't know where I go because I've been hungry before me to start the video. You want something yet? I get exactly what you wanted. This. That is. Season perfectly.
Oh, Daddy, what you made?
Fried chicken. I should try to chop it small.
Are we gonna have some?
Mm-hmm.
Even though I know that you're probably I just still
Josh. Alright, my friends. And there's nothing in my beard now. Barbecue water. Yeah, man, quick and fast. I just had some sauce left over from my beef short ribs. Toss it up in there. So lift it like, boy. So this sauce here is Scotch Bonnet maple glaze. So you have like a double layer of pepper. Let's go. Bad. 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 Oh my days. Leave it like my son. Don't dry them. No. No. He might dry them. Leave it. Thank you, sir. My friend, it's hit the spot. So I'm gonna eat a few fries. Call it a night. Yeah. Big up on yourself. Enough love. Need to try this out. Pepper is a lit. Hey, feel the pepper. Pepper did it. Leave a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment below. And say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home. You won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.